Hey, it's Brian from RX Safety, and I'm here to talk about safety goggles and why they might be a great option for your hobby or line of work. So for starters, using safety goggles is going to give you the most protection possible. Their strap allows them to stay securely in place while you work, and their eye shield offers full wraparound protection. Secondly, goggles are going to provide you with a sealed fit. This is perfect for instances where dust, smoke, wind, debris, or other particles may be a hazard. The closed facial cavity seal provides full protection from these hazards and will help you feel safe and secure in whatever task you're performing. Next, goggles can be an extremely comfortable safety option. They have exceptional padding, and their nylon strap fits comfortably around your head, eliminating the possibility of irritation and pressure points that certain safety glasses can cause. Lastly, goggles provide the widest field of view of all safety eyewear. If you want the least obstruction of your view while you work, goggles are the perfect option. Safety goggles are a great option for motorcycle riders, firefighters, woodworkers, and people in construction and healthcare. Some great options for safety goggles are the GP04 and the RX PDX. To check out the goggles used in this video, the links will be in the description. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at rxsafety.com.